Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger downloading photo. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is not strong enough, switch to cellular data. If this does not solve the problem, then tap and hold the messenger icon. Tap App Info. Go to Storage and tap Clear Data. Tap OK on the pop-up. Now reopen Messenger. And that's how you fix Messenger downloading photo. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.